Welcome to Little Learner's Education. Today we're going to have fun in the Tuff Spot making fruit juice.
Hello and welcome to Little Learner's Education. Today we're going to go step by step through a fun Tuff Tray activity with oranges, lemons and limes. This activity supports children's exploratory, creativity and problem-solving skills through making juice. For this Tuff Tray activity, we used oranges, lemons and limes, different sized cups, a chopping board and a child-friendly knife, a manual juicer, a bowl, a measuring cup and a ladle, a jug and a strainer. To extend and continue the play, we added cups, a weighing scale, a whisk, raspberries, strawberries and blackberries.
Please like and subscribe down below, and feel free to check out our Facebook and Instagram page. Goodbye from Little Learner's Education.